sir.
Pretty bad.
Whoa, bad line. Almost crashed on that jump. Not that one, but so picked a horrible line there. I fucking almost went off that little fucking cliff thing.
Up there?
Yeah.
That's funny.
I know, I heard you coming up. I was like, oh, fuck, go, go.
That turn gets me every time. The one that you fucked up on. I saw you fuck up on, so I was like, alright, I got you right here.
I was going way too clear. It came out of nowhere. I was
You're
like,
coming in hot for that turn if you can't remember it's there. That shit was bad.
I fucking, you know that bigger lip right there?
Yeah, the
I
second one.
booted the shit out of it and I came off sideways. Like my front tire kind of slid off. And I was in the air and I got super lucky.
Yep,